The function of the pressure reducing valve is to reduce pressure from 10 bar to 5 bar. The important parts of the pressure reducing valve are the valve housing, valve seat V1, valve seat V2, compression spring 1, compression spring 2, compression spring 3, piston, and the valve head. Let us now describe the working of the pressure reducing valve. The compressed air flows through the primary pressure port P and opens the valve seat V2 to the secondary port. Simultaneously, it flows into the chamber D via the bore C and charges the upper end of the piston E. The compressed air passes through the equalizing port E and enters the chamber F above the valve head D. Consequently, the piston is pushed downwards. Due to the downward movement of the piston, the valve head moves downwards and closes valve seat V2. Thus, the reduced pressure remains supplied into the port A1 and air supply from port P is closed.